So I've set my string line up, and it's a bit tricky on this one because there's a big concave in the top of the hill here. But we've got a big double gate going in here. Actually, we've got the double gates on this side, so you can see the strings off center, and my post will come on this side rather than the other side, so it'll come over here, and then we'll set that gate. Why they want a double gate up here, I'm not 100% sure, but we just got to do what we're told, and we'll get that in and bring these posts up. But that's how I've set it, and because it's running downhill, I've then got to make sure the next post here will be high enough to carry the next side, and same down the bottom as I step them downhill, because I didn't want to rake 3 or 4 panels. It was a quick fit in, doing supply job, and materials took a little bit longer than getting here, so we've been waiting a while to get these things here, but that's how it's all going to sort of pan out for us. We'll get them all posted up, and once the concrete truck comes, I'll show you how I go about posting them.